Ooh-dee-dee-dee, on my rich self, going on my way home. Oh my goodness, what is this?
Can I have money? I have no place to go.
Does it look like I have money?
Yes, you look like you have money. You have a cell phone. I have nothing.
Well, this is dead. Can't you see it's dead?
No, you were walking with it on. It looks like you were talking.
I'm not talking to nobody.
Look, your dog is gonna eat me. Please, can I just have money? Go away. Go away.
Go away. Roy.
I want money.
Give me money.
Now, please. May I have money? Please. May I have money? I have money. Well, can you take me to my mom's house? I think she died. I don't know where she's located at. Please. Can you take me to my dog's house? I mean, my mom's house. Please. Are you my mom? You're a girl. Please don't eat me. I'm scared of doggies. Doggies mamas. He's trying to eat me. So, will you give me money?
No.